guys, and welcome back to the basics of programming. So last episode we covered data types, which is really important, so if you haven't seen that, please do go and have a quick look. But today we're going to start talking about the topic of selection. So there's two videos on this. This one's going to cover like the basic concept, and then the next one's going to cover some interesting stuff that you can do with it. But we will start with, what is selection? So selection is basically where different bits of code get run due to a condition. So like if X is true, then print this, else print this, kind of thing. So we're going to do an example with some user input. So we're going to ask the user a question, and we're going to ask them how old they are. Don't forget the question mark. Okay, so our condition is going to be whether they're 18 or above, or below 18. And what we're going to do is if they're above 18, we're going to print you are an adult, and if they're under 18, we're going to print you are a child. So we've got two conditions here. So we're going to start with if answer is under 18. And then we're going to put a colon. Now that colon is very important. It doesn't work without that colon. You'll notice that this if has changed colour. That's because Python knows it's a keyword. And when you press enter, it'll automatically be indented. So it does need to be indented, because that's how life works in Python. So please do indent it. You can use that by pressing the tab button. That kind of moves it like an indent in. But as I said, if you press enter after the colon, it should automatically do it. So if the answer is under 18, then we will print you are a child. Cool. Now, every time you have an if, you need an else, which is if that above one doesn't apply, because it doesn't. If I entered like 56, that's not below 18, so what should I say instead? And there we will print you are an adult. Like that. So if we save and run that, so if I put in 4, when I press enter, it should pop up with you are a child. And it did. So if I run that again, and enter like 101, and it says you are an adult. Cool. So another example we're going to do is about something called elif, or else if, which is if you've got like more than 2 options. So we're going to do an example with 4 options, which is we're going to ask the user what their favourite fruit is. Now I'm not going to put int there because I'm going to leave them to enter a string. That's fine. So I'm going to ask them what their favourite fruit is. Cool. So we're going to start off with just before, so if their answer is an apple. Now when we do comparing strings, you need to put 2 equals as, like that. The reason being is because 1 means you're assigning it, like up here. And we're definitely not doing that down here, so we're comparing, you put 2 equals. You get used to it, don't worry. So if your favourite fruit is apple, then put that colon. Then we're going to print, I like that one too. Cool. So now, I don't want to put else because I've got some more options. I'm going to put elif, which is short for else if. So elif answer equals banana. I'm going to print, I'm not a fan. And then I'm going to have another elif. You can have as many elifs as you want. You can have hundreds of thousands. It would be impractical, and I'd like to help you improve your code, but it's possible. Left a bracket there. And then I'm going to print my favourite. Like that. However, we do still need that else, so I will put one on there. And we're going to say, I've never heard of that one. So we'll save and run that. So what is your favourite fruit? If I write apple, because I like that one too. But if I enter kiwi, it says I've never heard of that one. So you can see that this could be used for all kinds of things, and next time we're going to look about using it in a menu or like a quiz, because you can, and that's quite fun. So now we've learnt about selection, you've started learning about that. Try challenges 4 and 5, which cover this stuff. Give that a go before you watch next episode, because that will help you understand next episode. Which will be focusing on some interesting implementations of selection. And as always, please do give me some feedback in the comments. But that's it for today. I will see you guys next time. Thank you.